Hello, Johnny here again. 2 packages. One heavy, one not so heavy. Now these 2 packages have come from what I call a friend now, who is the programmer of CBM Prod Studio, Arthur, and he had to relinquish ownership of his 64 equipment, and so he offered it me. I said yes, and it has finally arrived. So what we're going to do, we're going to open the, as you can see, I've opened them up just to let them acclimatise. We're going to see what's in them and see what goodies we can find. So what we'll do, we'll start with that one because that's the lighter one. So I'll move this one out of the way a sec. So here we go. So I'll take some of the creative packaging out, and straight away, oops, luckily that's packed up in there. One Commodore 64C, 1984. Nah, it's older than that. It looks like a well-used Commodore 64. I mean, it's very clean, except for the size, but that's easily done. But this is a computer that's been used. This is not a computer that's been stuck in the loft for years and years and years. This is actually being used. So we will put the test bed on this and see what we've got. Well, this is my 4th 64C. That's not bad. Right, let's see what else we got. So we have got a well yellowed tape deck with no cover on it. So looks like this has been played with, so we'll see if this works. If it doesn't, everything else looks okay. Get some retro brighting done on the cover, but bring it back to what it used to look like. Right, so that's the tape deck. What else we got in here? Right, that's the last of that in there, so put that over there. Right, got some packaging. Right, let's see. Right, I think I know what it is. Right, let's see how we get in here. Here we go. Here we go. Working my way around. Well, that's been out in the sun. It's got a bit of a suntan, that has. Now that is a 1571 Mark II, and I haven't got one of these. I've been looking for one of these for a long time, but every time I try and get one, they get snapped up. That's been in the sun quite a bit. So yeah, be interesting to see if that works. Arthur says everything's working, and I believe him, but Contains heroin. What year is that? It doesn't say. But yeah, this looks brilliantly. Right, let's have a look at the other package. Now this is heavy. Right. Hey up. We have got some they're XA1571 cables. Plug that into your 1541 or the drive. Plug that into the parallel port of your PC, and then you use the CBM commander and can't remember what the other piece of software was. And it looks like got two versions of it. Excellent. Right. Serial cable. Wow. Oh, there's loads of stuff in here. Right, what we got here? Right, we got some tapes. Right, so we've got Super Monaco World Cup, the first Commodore Power Thrill tape. Right, okay, we'll have to try that one out. What's the others? Magic Land Crazy and Chromosome. It's one set of software. Oh, there's even more. What we got here? So we got Prowler. Can't read what that says. Formula One simulator. Motorbike Madness. Rally Driver. Oh, serious stuff here. So we have Outrun. Oh, classic. Oh, Test Drive. World Class Leaderboard. Winter Games. Killed Until Dead. Leaderboard again. Oh, this is just normal leaderboard. Serious gaming. Well, let's have a look here. What we got here? Oh, this is a collection. So we've got. Oh, these are collections. Okay, what's we got? Super Kong, Bully Sporting Darts demo, Thesis and Minotaur and Fruit Bank. Then we got the X-Ritter Trolls demo, Easy Lives. What's that one? Minotaur Part 2, Magic Rufus demo, Relax, Snowball Sunday, Overlander, Ground Snipe, Danger, Adventure at Work, Saboteur 2, Batty, Shards of Innova, and what's this one? Football Manager and Artura, yeah. Cool. Oh, got some more serious games. Right, what we got here? Well, the bottom one looks familiar. Captain Blood. We got The Mask. Don't know what that one is. International Soccer. Ooh! Taper liner. Oops, sorry. Taper liner. Let's see what if that tape works. We'll see how far out of alignment it is. What's this one? Boogie Boy. God, that's a famous game. Got another one. Can't see what it is. Silent Service. All right. Right, what we got? Oh, 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 oh. Hey up. Well, that's hardly seen the light of day. That is very nice. I'll have to check it's working. That's very nice. Oh, right, put that there. Oh, Night Movers. I wonder if this was a Night Movers collection. That's all right, because I got Night Movers as well. Put that down there. Defender of the Crown. That's a nice box piece of software. And there's still more. We're only halfway down. Knight Raider. Oh. Football Manager 2. The expansion kit. Even back then they were trying to get more money out of us. Grand Prix Circuit. Oh, I remember that game. Could I play that? Nah. See if I'm any better. What we got here? Street Sports Baseball. Oh, it's on disc. Oh, right, first thing we're going to do is put that onto migrate that onto solid state. The Key to Advanced Game Design, Machine Lightning. Ooh. Complete 6502 symbolic disassembly to printer or screen. Source is tokenized and saved to memory. Ooh. And it's on disc as well. We'll have to have a look at that one. See if we can get some games designed. Right, what else we got? Oh, another one. We got 2 versions. So that's the disc. Let's have a look. Oh, did it come in 2 boxes? Oh, tape version. Tape version. I'll have a look at that. Right. What else? What else we got? European Rampage. Yeah. Right. What we got here? So what's this? Is this a cartridge? Oh, it's a cartridge. Oh, the final cartridge. Ooh, I'll have to see what this one does. Because I've got the final cartridge 3. So we'll see what this one. This comes with the manual as well. Oh, they were the days. Manuals that were done on a typewriter. Excellent. Right, put band back round there so we don't lose it. Right, what else we got in here? Got some discs, yeah, mind benders, puzzles. Right, get them put onto SD disc. What's this? Solo Flight. Okay, so probably got Solo Flight in there somewhere. What we got here? What's this? Defeating digital crow cracking a beginner's guide to software archiving, aka cracking. Disclaimer, despite the issue discussing in this article, it is no way written to encourage software piracy. You are not allowed to use the knowledge found here to make copies for other people. If you go ahead and do this, despite what I have just said, it is not my problem. And I can't be held responsible in any way. Oh dear. We'll have to. I'll read this and see if we can do that sort of thing. Oh, I can't be held accountable. It's not my problem. Excellent. Right. Well, we still got some more. Okay. Gunship. Class game. Class. Is it on disc? Yes, it is. Class game. Classic. Oh, Batman and the Cape Crusader. Oh, we're gonna have a look at some of these. Wow. What else we got? Ooh. Oh no! I spent hours playing this game. Hours and hours. Oh. Look at that. Oh, I wasted my youth playing this. Now, this is definitely worth a play. We'll see if we can get that going. What else we got? Spitfire Ace. What else we got? Ah, Solo Flight. Where's that manual gone? Oh, there it is. So, Solo Flight. And Jump Jet. Bet that's a tape one as well. Right, get the manual for Solo Flight. There we go. Put that there. Oh, bring it on. Stealth Fighter. Absolutely. Oh, it's the deluxe edition. Oh, look at that. Ooh, someone's put it onto disc. Don't tell anybody. There's the tapes, but someone's actually put it onto disc. Right, what else we got in here? Right, so some more packaging, and we have got, that looks like the 1541 power supply. Yep, it is. There's another Commodore power supply. Oh, I've got loads of these now. Excellent. And ooh, we've still got some stuff in here. What's this? Income tax. Motorman scheduler monitor, income tax, money 64 energy program. What's on this one? BCS quest, Grog's Revenge. So what else we got in here? Ghosts and Goblins, all my favourite game altogether. Hunchback, Ghostbusters, Beachhead, Bruce Lee. So, oh, he's put some of the tape games onto this, look. Solo Flight, Fighter Pilot, Jump Jet, Strike Eagle, Connect 4, Chess, Silent Service, Revs Plus. Oh, he's put that on there as well. Ball Blazer, Spy Hunter, Exploding Fist. Ooh. Looks like I'm going to be digitising all that lot as well. Right, so that's that. What else have we got? Oh, some more. Oh, test programs. Park Patrol. And some blank discs. Wicked. Yeah, blank discs. Can never do without blank discs. Okay. Oh, hard cases. Oh, serious. Serious. What we got in here? Cheats. More blank discs. Spellbound. Top Gun. Ooh. What's that one? Oh, that's the official Night Moose. I like the hard case. Ooh. And what else we got down there? We got another one. Another hard case. So 64 Arcade Extravaganza, Bruce Lee. And we got some more Night Moves discs. Revs, Spy Hunter. Excellent. Alright, so. And I like that case as well. Right, that's it. Well, Arthur, thank you very much. Your pride and joy is going to be looked after. It's going to go straight into my collection. I'm going to see if we can clean this fella up, because I've seen on Retro Man Cave how to do indoor retro brighting, and we're going to try some of this software out that you've sent me. Thank you very much, and I'm going to enjoy playing some of these games I've not seen before. So with that said, I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing video, and looks like we're going to have a couple more videos coming our way based around what's here. Thank you very much, Arthur. I'll see you next time. Bye.